Dumelang, Sanbonani. How's everybody doing? Lehantle, is everyone okay? Oh man, wow. Thank you guys for coming. It's been a very interesting time putting all of this together. So, how kind. So you must know I sweat a lot, guys. I am a sweater because I think when I do something, I go extra. Sometimes it's very necessary. It's the only way I can express what's going on inside me. So I am Prophet's concubine. Welcome to Can These Bones Live? And the whole idea behind Can These Bones Live is to bring back to life everything that lies dormant inside of us that requires reawakening. Putting this thing together, for me, already just on its own, is me coming alive. It has